Hi, I'm Jeff McCauley, and together with my wife Hayley and our kids, we milk 1,000 cows on a Rotary Dairy at Narnagoon. And here we've got a 6-unit Laley robotic dairy, which we milk a further 500 cows. The robots have truly been a game changer. The cows decide when they want to be milked, they're calmer, production has increased, and I save a lot of time and stress. It's smarter, more efficient farming, and I believe it represents the future of dairying. To take the next step, I partnered with Vertex Greens and installed a 97 kilowatt solar system with Jinko panels, a Sungrow battery and a Sungrow inverter. It's a perfect match. Robotics give me the efficiency, and the solar with batteries brings sustainability and significant cost savings. Together, they've made my farm truly future ready. I can track everything on my phone: solar production, battery charging and discharging, and exactly how much power we're using. This level of control gives me real confidence in how my farm is operating. On top of that, the system gives me great flexibility. I can shift equipment usage like irrigation pumps to the daytime when my solar panels are generating more power than I need. Not only saves money, but also lets me run my farm smarter, making decisions based on data and efficiency rather than guesswork. I was referred to Vertex Greens by a fellow farmer, and now I can clearly see why. What impressed me most was their approach. They carefully designed the right system size for my farm, making sure everything suited my needs perfectly. From the very beginning, the team put the customer first. They kept me updated at every stage and made the whole process simple. You can genuinely see the difference when you work with a company that values quality and customer care above everything else. Their flexible finance options, whether cash or no upfront, also gave me the freedom to choose what worked best for my farm. When other farmers visit, they see the robots working seamlessly alongside the solar and battery, and they're impressed. It's clear that it isn't just technology, it's the future of farming. Lower energy costs, healthier cows, more control, and a farm that's built for tomorrow. If you're considering solar and battery, I'd definitely say go with Vertex Greens. They don't just install solar, they partner with farmers, put the customer first, and deliver quality that makes a lasting difference.